flip it all the way over. Realize that was hard to fathom. Ready? Yeah. Six. One, two, four, one. Oh, I think. Ready? Three, one. That's fine, please. One, two, three, four. So is that why you boxed your frame in? In the front you did. Take this one from me. I'll take that one. Take it up one more. That's it, right? Don't do anything else in here? You think you're missing up there? Hey, what's going on? Got the old Mongo man here out in Mongo's garage Wednesday night. KJ and I were busy tonight. We hit it as soon as I got home from work, started cleaning stuff up. And I don't know, it's what, about 8 o'clock? Yep, it's about 5 after 8 now. Wrapping up for the night. Got quite a bit done tonight. You guys watched us turn the frame over by hand and then set it up on the jack stands. That is the bottom side of it. I always like to clean the bottom first as we're cleaning these up, and then we'll flip it back over. We did power wash the engine and the transmission tonight with some oven cleaner. The tranny didn't come as clean as I wanted it to, but the engine did come pretty clean. We've already got the valve cover off of it there, and KJ wanted to see what the chrome looked like on it and set the chrome valve cover down on it. But yeah, it's coming along pretty good. Got a pile full of parts here, some of which we will use again, some we will not. But pretty much all we're doing, we're going to replace the water pump, replace the thermostat. We are going with an HEI distributor, the single wire distributor, going to make it a whole lot easier to wire up. KJ does have a non-emissions carburetor coming. We'll be putting that on there. And just a new fuel pump will go on it, just to make things more reliable. So it is coming together. I told KJ, with Thanksgiving coming up, I'd like to be able to have a roller for Thanksgiving, put this thing back together, make it look like a truck. The frame so far, I got some of it wire wheel. I'm not gonna get real carried away with it because it's in pretty good shape. Just get the rust off of it and we can get some paint stuck to it. But the frame itself is in really nice shape. This again is the bottom of the frame. It's still wet from when we power washed it earlier. I did find out that I'm gonna have to change these rear spring shackle hangers. So on the two-wheel drive, the springs are 2.5 inches wide. And of course, we're switching over to four-wheel drive, and the springs that we have for the four-wheel drive are 3 inches wide. So I went ahead and got all new Brackets coming for that. That was about a 200 spot that'll have to come out of KJ's wallet. But we'll have all new spring hangers and shackles on the truck. So yeah. He's coming down pretty nice, starting to look good. Cleaning everything up. Before long, we'll be able to start bolting stuff back together. Hey, real quick, while I got you all here and you're watching, I just wanted to let everybody know I've been watching maybe some, I don't want to call it motivational stuff, but some stuff. There was a documentary on Banksy that I watched, and then I watched another thing about a producer. But this YouTube thing, it is a slow go, I can tell you that much. But we are making headway. Tonight, actually, I had my first short that broke 1,000 views in an hour. So I don't know, what that means or if that's good for the channel. Of course, it's good for the channel. Made a couple more subscribers, but what I'm after here, I'm gonna make it, guys. We're gonna get over 1,000 subscribers, and then we're gonna grow this channel to the point where, you'll be able to say, hey, I knew Mongo back when he was still just pissing around in the garage and, working a full-time job and still trying to do the YouTube thing every night. I'm one of those guys. What you see here, what I do every night and me talking to the camera, this is me. This isn't something that I'm not. This is definitely me. I'm not putting on a persona for the camera. I'm not trying to be fancy. I'm not trying to be anything other than what I am. And I think you guys can tell I like to do things right, and we like to get it done. So stick around. What I do want you to do, though, I'm going to charge everybody that watches this video to go out there and tell one of your good friends about Mongo's Garage, right? Let them know that we're out here, we're having fun, we're trying to make a go of this YouTube thing. And again, I don't want to do this. Well, I do. I'm not going to say I don't. I would love to do nothing but YouTube and do videos for you guys every day. But I know that's a long ways off, and I still have the daily grind, do what I have to do. But for right now, I'm happy making the videos for you guys, and just know that, any help you can give me out there, talk to your buddies, talk to your pals, tell them all about the channel. Say, go over there and watch and see what this dude and his son are building. I get it. 86 Ford F-150 isn't everybody's cup of tea. Nor is a square body Chevy pickup truck or the Super Duties that we've built. But, it's not necessarily about the projects or about the trucks. It's about KJ and I working together, about the family coming together and doing what we need to do, and, being able to do this together and show you guys what it takes to do this. I know a lot of people out there can't do this sort of thing, and I'm happy to share it with you. So, all right, the Mongo Man is going to hit the house, get cleaned up for the night, and put a video together. So in the meantime, we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. And thanks for watching, enjoying the shows here, and make sure, like I said, you talk to somebody and get that subscriber number up. All right, Mongo Man is out.